Hello everyone, I am Khyati from Real International School from class 8. Today I will speak about Mother's Day. A Mother's Day is celebrated on the second Sunday of May. It is celebrated all across the world. The love and care of a mother cannot be compared anything in this world. A mother is the only person who dedicates her whole life for the children and never expects any returns. Thank you.
Good morning, respected Director Sir, Principal Sir and all teachers. I am Tamanna from class 6. Today I am presenting here Mother's Day speech. A mother is the only person on this earth who dedicates on anything in. Children has never expects and anything in. She only gives and never wishes and to have anything back. Thank you.
Everyone, my name is Priyanka Saini from class 8 from Real International School. Today I am tell some sweet lines for mother on the occasion of Mother's Day. माँ तो जन्नत का फूल है, माँ तो जन्नत का फूल है, प्यार करना उसका उसूल है। दुनिया की मोहब्बत फिजूल है, दुनिया की मोहब्बत फिजूल है, माँ तो जन्नत का फूल है। ए इंसान माँ को नाराज़ करना तेरी भूल है, ए इंसान माँ को नाराज़ करना तेरी भूल है, माँ के कदमों की मिट्टी जन्नत की धूल है। थैंक यू।
Morning all of you, this is Pushpin Singh in front of you from class 8. I am talk about mother. It is a hard sum of the love and affection of a mother in any number in world. She is a brilliant lady, she cooks us very well. We use the advice of mother. Everyone respect the mother in anywhere in the world. She believed in a God. She give a lots of things. A mother most adorable and lovable person in this world. She her prayers and good. Good
morning to all of you. My name is Vanshika. Today I am telling a poem on my mother. माँ तुम्हारे पास आती हूँ तो आंखें सांसें भीग जाती हैं, इतनी मोहब्बत मिलती है कि आंखें भीग जाती हैं। जब जब लिखो अपनी माँ का मेरी माँ का नाम, कमल अजब बोल उठी, हो गए चारों धाम। थैंक यू, हैव अ नाइस डे।
सुप्रभात। आज हम रियल इंटरनेशनल स्कूल के छात्र आपके सामने दुर्गेश और सुधीर कक्षा 7 से छात्र आपके सामने अपनी माँ के लिए एक कविता प्रस्तुत करना चाहते हैं जो कुछ इस प्रकार है।
ज़मीन पर जन्नत मिलती है कहाँ, ज़मीन पर जन्नत मिलती है कहाँ, दोस्तों ध्यान से देखा करो अपनी माँ।
जोड़ लेना चाहे लाखों करोड़ों की दौलत, जोड़ लेना चाहे लाखों करोड़ों की दौलत, पर कभी जोड़ ना पाओगे माँ सी सुविधा।
आते हैं हर रोज़ फरिश्ते, आते हैं हर रोज़ फरिश्ते, उस दरवाजे पर रहती है खुशी से प्यारी माँ जहाँ।
माँ के साथ यूँ चलता है ता अमर आदमी, माँ के साथ यूँ चलता है ता अमर आदमी, संग जैसे आदमी तले झुका रहता है सदा आसमां।
माँ दिखती तो है जिस्म से बाहर सदा, माँ दिखती तो है जिस्म के बाहर सदा, पर माँ है रूह में मौजूद बेपनाह हौसला।
कभी गलती से भी बुरा ना सोचो माँ के लिए, कभी गलती से भी बुरा ना सोचो माँ के लिए, ध्यान रहे माँ ने ही सच रचा है जीवन का हौसला। धन्यवाद।
धन्यवाद।
Good morning everyone. My name is Lavya from class 4. Today is sweet poem for my mom. My mom is the best. She never ever rests. She works hard day and night to make my future every bright. She teaches new things every day and there is also time to play. She is like a teacher to me. That is why I am not afraid to be me. One day when I will grow up, I would like to thank her for never give up. Thank you. Happy Mother Day.
Good morning to all of you. I am Shratish from class 8. Today standing here to share my views about Mother's Day. I, Shratish, feel immense happiness to be a part of this celebration and talking about motherhood in front of you all. About it is nothing less than pleasurable experience for me. First of all, I would like to show you my gratitude to every single mother out there who has nurtured the world with her unconditional love and made it truly a heaven on earth, connecting the beautiful relationship of mother and her children with my own mother and with my own experience. I want to say that the best thing that could have even happened to someone is their mother. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Hello everyone, my name is Ankita Agrawal from Real International School, class 8th. My speech poem in Mother's Day. Dear Mom, I will love you forever and forever you will be the most wonderful mother. You mean everything to me. I thought of burning you flower in the usual way, but I knew you would prefer a forever bouquet. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Radhika from Real International School from class 8th. We should thank our mother for being the constant support and guide for what we are today. You are my supermom in the whole world, and I am your tiny heroine who always the rules break, who always but never across the wild borders. You always protect me with your magic touch and mighty hands.
A very, very refreshing and cheerful good morning to all of you. I am Tanu in front of you from class. Today's speech of Mother Day. Dear Mom, I will love you forever and forever you will be. My mother is best mother in this world. You everything means to me. I thought make a greeting card in my mother in the usual way, but I knew thought a very my mother. Thank you. Happy Mother Day, all mothers.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Prachi Chaudhary. I am telling about Mother's Day.
Good morning to all. My name is Anjali Gautam from Real International School.
I am Nandini from Real International School. I am representing a song. Thank you, God, for the gift that you gave me. Thank you for my mom, for her smile. No one is more gentle. She is the only one, my beautiful mommy, inside and out. Just want to say that I love you. You are my best friend, now and forever. I am so thankful, Mom, for you. Thank you, Mom, for all that you gave me, for long and sleepless nights. I know I'm blessed, Mom, by your prayers. Thanks for your kind heart, my beautiful mommy, inside and out. Just want to say that I love you. You are my best friend, now and forever. I am so thankful, Mom, for you. मैं कभी बतलाता नहीं, पर अंधेरे से डरता हूँ मैं माँ। यूँ तो मैं दिखलाता नहीं, तेरी परवाह करता हूँ मैं माँ। तुझे सब है पता है ना माँ, तुझे सब है पता मेरी माँ। भीड़ में यूँ न छोड़ो मुझे, घर लौट के भी आना पाऊँ माँ। भेजना इतना दूर मुझको तू, याद भी तुझको आना पाऊँ माँ। क्या इतना बुरा हूँ मैं माँ, क्या इतना बुरा हूँ मैं माँ। जब भी कभी पापा मुझे
जोर जोर से झूला झूलाते हैं माँ, मेरी नजर ढूंढे तुझे, सोचे यही आके थामेगी माँ, मेरी माँ।
थैंक यू। अच्छी है तो कितनी भोली है, प्यारी प्यारी है हो माँ, हो माँ, हो माँ, हो माँ। तो कितनी अच्छी है तो कितनी भोली है, प्यारी प्यारी है ओ माँ, ओ माँ, ओ माँ, ओ माँ। ना नहीं कोई सुख दुख कोई, दुख नहीं कोई सुख दुख कोई, मैं मस्ता हूँ फूलों सी है, होती है तेरे हंसने पे, तेरे रोने पे तू बलिहारी है हो माँ, हो माँ, हो माँ, हो माँ। कितनी अच्छी है तो कितनी भोली है, प्यारी प्यारी है हो माँ, हो माँ, हो माँ, हो माँ।
गुड मॉर्निंग टू ऑल। मैं युक्त तिवारी रियल इंटरनेशनल स्कूल से छात्र आप सभी के सामने मातृ दिवस के उपलक्ष्य में कुछ पंक्तियाँ प्रस्तुत करना चाहता हूँ। हर रिश्ते में मिलावट देखी, हर रिश्ते में मिलावट देखी, कच्चे रंगों की सजावट देखी, हर रिश्ते में मिलावट देखी, कच्चे रंगों की सजावट देखी, लेकिन देखा है सालों सालों से माँ के चेहरे पे ना कभी थकावट देखी और ना ही ममता में मिलावट देखी, ना मिलावट देखी।
Good morning to all of you. My name is Divya from class 4th. Today is thought of Mother Day. Heaven must be because really small because it I can see it in my mom's eyes. Thank you. Good morning to all of you. I am Suhana. Today is celebrate Mother's Day. My mother name is Sasiwala. My mother name is Sasiwala. She is work hard day and night. My mother is the best mother in this world. Gift giving by God. Nobody can fulfill the place of mother is one life. Mother means only that you are growth. Thank of Lord to such a great mother for giving me. Thank you.